Hey, welcome back. Daniel Parsons, really excited. I've got the Seven Wonders water product. I've got some in stock ready to ship in the USA. If you want to order one somewhere else, contact me on Telegram. You can reach me there. +1 is the country code for USA and Canada, and then 360-383-0265. I'm in the Pacific time zone weekdays. I answer the phone Monday through Friday, normal business hours. And so, real quickly, I'm going to give you the instructions and then my very first experience using the product. So, I'm going to go on share screen now. I'm going to pull up PDF document and give me a second here. Just uploaded a video there in YouTube. Here's the user manual, and here we go. I should be on share screen. This is from Prife International, a fantastic wellness company based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. For first-time use, cleanse the bottle with water at least 3 times to rinse off natural minerals, compatible with purified water and mild alkaline water. I live in the Pacific Northwest. I use some tap water. Yeah, there's a little bit of chemicals in that tap water to kill things because I use a distilled water machine. But for the sake of rinsing those minerals out, I did not use any soap. And so, one, room temperature water, pour directly into the bottle and leave for 3 minutes for dissolved hydrogen water to be generated. Two, for warm water, pour half bottle of hot water and leave for 1 minute for dissolved hydrogen water to be generated. Then pour room temperature water to fill it up and leave for another 2 minutes. Hot purified water, number three. Please do not over tighten the bottle cap while using hot water in order to avoid high air pressure. Four, when making hot tea, basic ingredients, green tea, I'm not sure what the pu air and the floral petals, goki red dates. Avoid acidic based ingredients. Okay. Five, before sleep, dispose any liquid in the bottle to prevent auto generation of hydrogen or place the bottle upside down. Okay. Gentle reminders. The core minerals usually last for 90 days based on 2 liters of daily consumption with 350 ml of purified water on each filling. 350 milliliters is a little over a third of a liter, obviously. That equates to a little bit more than 12 ounces or about 1.5 cups of water. And so I was able to fill up a mug that I have, and I've had one of these at room temperature, and I notice immediate increase in the oxygen level in my blood and my brain. I'm running like a 30-year-old man, and I'm 63. And so, other thing I noticed right away is that it is the cleanest, purest water I've ever had. Now, I put in the terahertz charged water from our iTerracare Classic blower that Prife makes, and Prife is the exclusive provider of those iTerracare devices, genuine iTerracare with that terahertz wave. Okay, so five, I told you about that. And so the core minerals you can get, there's not very expensive to replace those core minerals every 3 months. Okay. Now, the water from Seven Waters is a non-electrolytic water product, and it is preferable to be consumed instantly. If unused, place the bottle upside down. Hydrogen level may last for a maximum of 2 hours once removed from the bottle. Please do not place the bottle at any high temperature area for long hours if it contains liquid inside the vehicle. So obviously, people that are living in tropical countries or warm southern climates, like Hawaii or Florida or Texas, like California. You know, you don't want this to sit in your car, obviously. And then kindly clean the glass funnel, core, and rubber ring during replacement of the core minerals to prevent linking. Okay, that's it. I'm going to keep this video really short about the use and how directions video. And I'm going to do another video shortly about my very first impression and review. Bye for now.